It's Kirby here from Videl Roofing. We're just down here in Welland, just doing a bit of an inspection and some touch-ups as per a consultant's recommendations. So there was some inadequate gas line blocking. Some of the gas lines had to be painted. Then there were some sleepers that were rotting out, holding an HVAC unit up. So we've gone ahead and made some of the adjustments, and we'll just take you on a little bit of a walkthrough, and then I'll attach some pictures later on in the video just to show you what it looked like beforehand.